Hello, 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 everyone. Thank you so much for joining me back on my channel. If you have not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hurry up, okay? Get your lives together. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell as well so you don't miss an upload from me. You guys, I appreciate all of the love and support that I have been getting from my channel building. It's because of you guys that I'm still even doing this. I mean, I love doing hair, but you know, when you guys tell me how much you appreciate it and how much I've helped you guys, it just makes it all worthwhile. And I truly, truly, truly do appreciate y'all. But y'all already know I like to get straight to the point as far as my tutorials. So today I am doing my lovely additional mother, Mother P. You guys can also call her Mama Peyton. She is such a sweetheart. She is getting a crochet install using the Kima braid ocean wave hair, I believe. And I am doing a asymmetrical bob on her. And I've done a bob on her before, but it was using the go-go curl, I believe. It was the go-go curl and it was another curl pattern. I can't think of the other name of the curl pattern. But when I did the bob on her before, it was using the Go-Go Curl Hair by Freetress. And it was absolutely adorable on her. Bobs look so cute on her, so flattering to her face. But y'all just keep watching the video. Y'all gonna see it. Y'all gonna see it. Also, if you would like a more to see a more slowed down version of this braid pattern, go ahead and check it out. I'll leave an annotation about now so you guys can see it. This is just the standard install braid pattern that I use for my crochet braids. Okay, so right about now, as usual with the back, I'm doing the traditional install. If you don't know what that is, I'll leave an annotation right about now showing you guys what the standard install is. But throughout the back, throughout the center and the top portion of her hair, I am doing the traditional method. She personally doesn't care about the knot showing. It doesn't bother her. But right at the front of her hairline, I did do a few illusion method on her hair. So you'll actually see what I'm talking about in this next clip that is coming up, and it'll show it. So right here, as you guys keep watching, you'll see I'm just basically filling out the gaps and filling it in. And I do have the hair on a thread rack, but I'll keep doing the standard crochet method, and then I'll switch it over. As you can see right here, I switched it over to the illusion method. So right at the very front of her head, I did the illusion, and then throughout the back and the center portion, I did just the standard install. Okay, so the cutting process I did leave live in real time because I want you guys to be able to see everything that I did. So basically in the back, I just started to cut everything downward at a downward angle just to create layers. I did go in right after I did this, and I did just go ahead and cut it straight across in the back because she actually ended up wanting it to be a little bit shorter. So I'm cutting everything at a downward angled motion just so I can see the layers in it and just see where the hair placement, where everything falls. And then I'll have her move her head just to see how it shakes. So when her hair does shake or when the wind blow, it'll still just fall into place. But just watch how I cut the hair. It's really easy, guys. It's not that difficult. And I do believe the hair we use, I know it's the Kima braid, but I do believe it's in Ocean Wave. I'll double check and post it right about now just to be sure what hair it was, but I do believe it was the Ocean Wave hair. Okay guys, so now that I'm pretty much done with the cutting process, I'm just going to clip her hair out of the way and go ahead and tease to create volume within the root area because she did not want a lot of hair on her head. So I didn't want to install a lot of hair. So I'm just going to tease it out, and it's just going to create that volume that's needed and then cover up those gaps. And again, you guys, pretty much everything from here on out is pretty self-explanatory, but I do appreciate you guys. I truly do. Thank you so much for all of the love and support that I've been getting within these last few months. I am extremely, extremely, extremely grateful. Thank you guys so much. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. I will have more crochet braids coming up, as well as other braided hairstyles. I am all for helping you guys out. But you guys have a blessed day. Bye.